Hi there and welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we are going to be making everybody's favorite brunch drink, a Bloody Mary. But this time we're going to be adding some of our mango craft puree and habanero craft puree. So if you're ready, let's get started. This is a fairly easy recipe. All we're going to do is add our ingredients to a shaker and shake it up. So here we have a 1/4 of a teaspoon celery salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon smoked paprika, and also 1/4 of a teaspoon some freshly cracked black pepper. Next, 1.5 ounces of vodka, 4 ounces of tomato juice. This is 1 can, so we're gonna not use the entire thing, so leave a little bit in there. And then 1 fresh squeezed lemon or 2 small fresh squeezed lemons. Now just 2 dashes of Worcestershire sauce. And now for our craft purees. We're gonna do 2 pumps of our mango craft puree, and you can do about 1/4 to 1/2 pump of the habanero. It is extremely spicy, so use this with caution. Now just add some ice and shake. Now we're just going to strain our mixture into the glass here. Top with a little bit more ice and add our garnishes. So here, just a classic celery stick, a wedge of mango, and of course an olive and a cocktail onion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you make our Mango Habanero Bloody Mary at home, be sure to share some pictures with us on social media. You can find us at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. To stay up to date with everything going on in the Amoretti kitchen, be sure to subscribe to our channel below. Also, make sure you hit the little notification bell below to never miss out on a new Amoretti recipe. And make sure to sign up for our newsletter so you can stay up to date with all of our promos and discounts. Bye, we'll see you next time.